How to get Cash App Card under 18. In this tutorial, you will learn step-by-step how to get Cash App Card under 18. Open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, make sure you tap on the profile icon. It is found at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you will land on the profile section of your Cash App mobile application. On this page, you will see various options and sections that you can use to get access to different features of the app. From those features that are here, make sure you scroll down and come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are various options, as you can see here. From them, look for one named Family. As you can see on this page here, Cash App allows teens aged 13 to 17 to have a sponsored account that can be set up quickly with approval from a parent or guardian. With this account, teens can deposit money, use a debit card, and send or receive money with friends and family. The parent or guardian can see the account activity and control the settings. The account also gives teens the option to invest in stocks or Bitcoin starting with as little as $1. So, go ahead and tap Invite a Teen. After you do that, you will get a link that you are supposed to share with the teen, and they will use it to get access to Cash App. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to get Cash App Card under 18.